News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Maitri College, University of Delhi, Office of the Principal Accountant, General Audit, Chandigarh, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, Rajkot, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, and Gokhale Education Society, Krishi Vigyan Kendra. To begin with, let's look at the college profile of Maitri College, University of Delhi. Maitri College made a modest beginning at Netaji Nagar with a staff of 17 teachers offering only BA Pass and BSc General courses. It has since made rapid progress both in size and stature. Presently, the campus in Chanakyapuri is spread over 10 acres of land in lush green surroundings with extensive playgrounds and open spaces. It has a distinguished faculty and an efficient and supportive non-teaching staff. The college offers honours degree in science, commerce and humanities at the undergraduate level. It also offers postgraduate courses in mathematics and political science. Certificate courses in journalism, French, Spanish and web designing are offered as non-credit add-on courses. There is provision for remedial coaching classes for the benefit of students as and when they require it. For all-round personality development of students, the college has initiated programs of awareness in health and fitness, legal services, disaster management and self-defense. Online applications are invited in the prescribed application form at weblink rec.3.du.ac.in from eligible candidates for appointment to the post of principal in the college. Last date for receipt of application is 14th May 2021 or 2 weeks from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News, whichever is later. Details regarding qualifications, publications, experience, screening guidelines and indicative pro forma, etc. are available on the college website along with this advertisement. Applicants are required to read these details before filling up the form. For details, please visit the college website, that is www.maitri.ac.in, and the university website www.du.ac.in. Any addendum or corrigendum shall be posted only on the college and university website. Office of the Principal Accountant, General Audit, Haryana, Chandigarh invites applications for filling up post of staff car driver, ordinary grade for deputation or absorption basis on A4 size plain paper. The period of deputation, including the period of deputation in another ex-cadre post held immediately preceding disappointment in the same or some other organization or department of the central government, shall ordinarily not exceed 3 years. The maximum age limit for appointment by deputation shall be not exceeding 56 years as on the closing date of receipt of applications. Applications in the prescribed format may be sent to the concerned authority, which should reach within 1 month of the date of publication of advertisement, positively, after which no application will be entertained. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, Rajkot, Gujarat is a central autonomous body formed by an Act of Parliament. The administrative ministry is Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, PMSSY, division of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. AIIMS Rajkot adheres to AIIMS Act rules and regulations available on the website of the PMSSY and also on website www.aimsrajkot.edu.in. The post of Financial Advisor, FA, Executive Engineer Civil, Administrative Officer, Accounts Officer and Assistant Administrative Officer are governed by AIIMS Rajkot. Candidates are expected to appraise themselves of provisions of AIIMS Act rules and regulations before deciding to apply for this deputation. The definition of analogous post shall be governed by DOPT instruction dated 7th March 1984. The Director, AIIMS Rajkot, invites applications from the interested and suitable candidates for the recruitment of following posts on deputation. 1 post of Financial Advisor, 1 post of Executive Engineer Civil, 1 post of Administrative Officer, 1 post of Accounts Officer 5 and 1 post of Assistant Administrative Officer. Applications are to be duly forwarded by the Cadre Controlling Authority with NOC and Vigilance Clearance. Candidate is advised to send an advance copy for intimation purposes only on the following email: ames.rajkot.recruitment@gmail.com. Number of posts is tentative and is liable to change based on the Institute's requirement. Maximum age limit for applying for the aforesaid post on deputation is 56 years as on last date of receipt of application. The period of deputation shall not ordinarily exceed 3 years. Officers who fulfill the qualifications or eligibility and have analogous experience may submit their application in the given proforma through proper channel to the concerned authority so as to reach the Institute on or before 45 days from the date of publication in Employment News. Date of publication in Employment News will be updated on website www.amesrajkot.edu.in by speed post or registered post only. For updates, please visit the Institute's website amesrajkot.edu.in regularly. Applications are invited for filling up 1 post of Chief Engineer Level 2 by deputation, including short-term contract in the Brahmaputra Board, Guwahati, a statutory body set up under an Act of Parliament 46 of 1980 under the administrative control of the Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, Ministry of Jal Shakti. Brief job responsibilities. The Chief Engineer Level 2 is the one of the main constituents of Brahmaputra Board who acts as subordinate to the General Manager, the Chief Executive Authority of the Board. It is a key post responsible for implementation or execution of all schemes or works taken up by Brahmaputra Board through the field circles or divisions. The work mainly includes execution of drainage development scheme, anti-erosion schemes, raised platforms, running and maintenance of assets, etc. As Chief Engineer 2, he will monitor all works for timely execution without financial overrun. He is authority to accord technical sanction of all works to be undertaken under him. He is also the technical head of all works undertaken. The period of deputation, including short-term contract in another ex-cadre post held immediately preceding this appointment in the same or some other organization or department of the central government, shall ordinarily not exceed 5 years. The maximum age for appointment by deputation, including short-term contract, shall not be exceeding 56 years on the closing date of receipt of applications. The cut-off date for determining the qualifying service or experience and age of the candidate for the post will be the last date of receipt of application. Applications with full particulars of the applicant in Annexure 1 to 5 should reach the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. All applications will be treated in strict confidence. Those from government and public sector should apply through proper channel. Applications without full details as asked for are liable to be rejected. Details of advertisement and the application forms can also be downloaded from the Ministry's website mowr.gov.in. Applications are invited for the following vacant post under planned scheme of Gokhale Education Society, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Kosbad Hill, District Palghar, Maharashtra State. 1 post of Senior Scientist and Head. Last date for receipt of application will be 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. The applicant should refer to website www.kvkthane.co.in for qualification, experience details and format of application. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.